Oh. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. Hi, I am Maris Chin, and my middle name is Tayong, and this is my sign name. And it's nice to meet you all, hearing community. I am happy, and we are deaf in Bantayan Island. I love you. Hi, my name is Karyl Facey Arel Cassandra, and my family name is Verake. And this is my sign name. Yes, we are deaf in Bantayan Island. My name is Jinika. And this is my sign name. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. Hi. Hi. My name is ERNEL Arnel, and my family name and this is my sign name. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. Thank you. Name is Connie May, and this is my sign name. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. My sign name is
My name is
Lamina, and this is my sign name. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. My name is JESS Jessica, and my family name is Batigan, and this is my sign name. My name is Sarah, and that's my sign name. We are deaf in Bantayan Island. My name is KRHYSTL Christel, and we are my name is KRH Christel. Go. Name and signing.